हम 365 दिन एक सा काम करते हैं। हम भगवान को हर रोज जो है नहाने के बाद 1 मिनट के लिए स्मरण करते हैं और हम तो कर्म को ही भगवान की पूजा मानते हैं, इसलिए आज कोई अलग से कोई स्पेशल हमने कर्म नहीं किया।
Dr. Harsh Vardhan facing probably the biggest test of his life. In the past 45 days, the ENT surgeon has made the transition from being an MLA from East Delhi to the party's chief ministerial candidate, picked over state party president Vijay Goyal, who had lobbied hard for the job. Vardhan's elevation effectively ended months of uncertainty and bitter wrangling for the top job, which had delayed the announcement. Ultimately, Dr. Sahib's clean image and ability to work with party workers finally convincing the BJP High Command that he was the man to take on incumbent Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, an anti-corruption activist and Aam Aadmi Party Chief Ministerial nominee Arvind Kejriwal. The RSS also weighed in its support to Vardhan, who has been a member of the Sangh since his early childhood. But did the party with a difference leave it too late? Several polls, while giving the BJP an edge in Delhi, have predicted a tight fight.
नहीं, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत ही रेलेवेंट है और बहुत सही समय पर हम लोगों ने निर्णय लेकर के बाकी लोगों को ये कहने का मौका नहीं दिया कि सभी पार्टियां एक सी हैं।
Born in Delhi, Harsh Vardhan took the jump into politics in 1993 when he contested and won from Krishna Nagar in East Delhi, a seat he has retained since. With his medical background, Vardhan was appointed the health and then the finance minister between 1993 and 98 in Delhi. It was during that time that he launched the Pulse Polio program in the capital, which was then implemented across India, a feat which also won him recognition from the World Health Organization. But it was not all smooth sailing. In 2008, Vardhan was passed over by V.K. Malhotra as the chief ministerial nominee. The party did poorly in the elections and also failed to win back Delhi from the Congress. Since then, Dr. Sahib, who celebrated 30 years as a medical practitioner last month, has maintained a low profile in politics. Now the BJP is banking on his image to help it reach the finish line.
You're a doctor. Do you think that's gone to your advantage that you also have patients in this area?
I have patients. Even while I had contested the election 20 years back, I had my patients all over.
So part of the prescription is also vote for the doctor, is it?
No. I have never sought votes because I am a doctor.
In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.